Welcome back to the channel, it's Jax Legos, and today I'm reviewing the Stark Jet and Drone Attack. 4 minifigures, 504 pieces, suggested for ages 8 and up, and the set number is 76130. You can see this and the other two Far From Home sets complete the series of the Far From Home movie. So now I have all the sets from Spider-Man Far From Home. So as you can see, this is a pure white ship. You do have some alternating size wings in the back. You can bring it all the way almost flat. And you also have a little cockpit for Spider-Man and Happy Hogan. And it's very roomy in here. You do have some space in the back. You got some chairs and steering place. The only and one thing I don't like about the set is this piece up here. It is a different color white from the rest of the set. As you can see, it's a bit darker. And yeah. So in the back here, we do have a little storage compartment. All you do is just pop it open. And I think you got some like power cubes back here. All you do is you really just snap it back on and off. So you were probably wondering what this little thingy is. All you do is it's a trap door. So you press it down and the trap door snaps open. So there are 2 little drones. They both have 2 stud shooters. So you get 4 stud shooters. They have some really nice detail up in the front. They got some binoculars for the sides. And you got 2 guns in front for each. If you have seen the last video, you basically know everything about this character. He does have purple cape, silver head, and glass helmet. So as you can see, this looks like nothing like Happy Hogan in the movie, but they're trying to do his best. So he does come with a nice little gun here, nice and American. He's got some hair, black suit, black pants, he's got a tie, and that's about all. So here's classic Nick Fury, Agent of S.H.I.E.L.D. Here you go, he's got his classic eye patch up there, and he got his nice gun, very detailed jacket with the S.H.I.E.L.D. symbol, you can barely see it, and that's about it. So for the best character of the set, it's Spider-Man. He looks so sick. He's got those little small wide eyes of his, the blue navy blue suit, and the red, and the spider in the middle. The best feature about this guy, he's got arm printing on the side, and he's also got some back printing with color on his back, legs, and head. So overall, this is an awesome set. You do get some actual blue flame in the back here. It's a new piece that is actually really one of my favorites now. So this set is absolutely amazing. It's got 504 pieces again. It's all white. So I thought I lost 2 pieces, but I didn't because my table's white and the pieces are white, etc. Hey guys, so that's gonna be a wrap for today's video. Hope you liked it. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment. This is Jax Legos. Peace out. See you on the next one.